I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
What up, Oklahoma? Baby, we just passed another state. Hey,
You didn't get a picture of that cool thing back there.
what cool thing?
I don't know. I think it's like part of the bridge. It's like bridge.
Oh, the little tower. You want to picture the little towers? There's like massive stuff. Say what up?
Yep.
Did you sleep good?
I think so.
So how would you rate?
Somebody when he's been snoring.
I didn't snore.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Sheesh. Watch out. They're blowing up on us. Oklahoma City University's next right. So I snored all night.
I don't really know. I was knocked out for a little while.
That's what I thought. I didn't snore.
But this morning I couldn't go back to sleep because you were snoring.
I was not. That was your belly because it was hungry. I didn't snore. She don't know. She was sleeping too. Hey, at least it's good and sunshiny. Sunshine everywhere. Hopefully we drove through all the snow. Think we're done with it? You'll know? We could be done with it. What's stuff here, ain't there? You're always like, wow, this place is huge. Because everything's huge when you live in Kentucky.
Keep right to stay on I-40 West.
You just poor old country girl, ain't that the saying?
You are?
No, I'm not. I'm poor old country boy. You a country girl?
Keep right to stay on I-40 West.
You guess so? You didn't have much of a choice. You didn't get to pick that life, did you? Can you field dress it deer? But you can order some, can't you? She'll survive as long as you can find it online. Country girl can't survive if they can find it online to shop for it. I didn't even know online shopping was like that big of a deal until Amanda here started jumping on to me about paying for stuff. And she's like, you could have found it online cheaper. I'm like, well, I didn't know. I want something, I want it then. I don't want to wait for it to come in the mail. I want it now.
Well, maybe it'll teach you patience.
She wanted a purse, and we was gonna buy it.
You'll learn to respect your mail person.
Yeah, respect the mail person. We don't need to know our mail person's name. Don't let her give you that crap.
We call her Sasha.
Wait, she's called her Sasha. What else we called her? Claudia. We just make up different name all the time. She's got a different name all the time. We're not even sure our mail lady is even a lady. It could be a mailman. We've never actually seen him in person. We're never there.
His nickname's Sasha.
If it's a dude, we're sorry. We didn't know. Yeah, we've never even seen our mail person. Most of the time we're either on the road or we're sleeping. So they come by, all we see is car pull up, and We don't even see like the arm or nothing. Put the mail in the mailbox. It's all right though. We get a lot of mail though. I'm surprised that like all the mail people don't know us by name.
No, I see her on the cameras.
Oh, is it a girl for sure? All right, Amanda's confirmed it. She found it on the camera. It's actually a lady that delivers our mail. But then there's a UPS guy that's there every day because she won't stop ordering stuff all the time. It's ordering something.
And the FedEx guy.
And the FedEx guy knows us by name. She put 3 of them guys into retirement already. they found a new job. Want to show up all the time, and all of a sudden he's gone. Man, it was wore him out shopping. This guy, I do feel bad for him though, because this one time she bought me what was it? You bought something heavy. What was that? Do you remember what it was?
Probably something for this truck. Probably those running boards or something. I don't know.
I think it's the running boards for his truck. It's pretty heavy. No, I was thinking it was heavier than that.
I don't know. He probably hates me.
No,
I've
no.
ordered like workout, like gym equipment. I've ordered.
Oh yes, that's what it was. That's what it was. You bought that. We bought a cable system. We got downstairs gym, and we bought a cable system. And that cable machine she ordered, it was like, what was it, 600 pounds? Poor boy showed up, tried to dolly it through the yard, like left the rest of the yard there with its dolly. Oh, and then he was gonna leave it downstairs at the garage. He's like, I'll just roll it down the driveway and put it in front of the garage. And she's like, no, I want it upstairs by the front door.
Whatever.
I was like, savage. Gosh, he just busted his guts getting it out of the truck. Oh my gosh.
That place is a huge outlet. Look at all the stores they have.
That is. Yes, so I mean that's the. So if you're thinking about going into the mail industry, you better make sure that the lady on your route don't order a bunch of crap, because you're going to deliver it. What was that one thing? You ordered something else. One of those fireplace tables. Daggone thing had a concrete top on it. It's one of those fire pit tables. It was solid concrete. She ordered that. Poor guy showed up.
It was like a woman and an old dude.
Yeah, it's an older couple showed up. And in what, like a U-Haul?
Or a van? I don't even remember.
It's like one of those old school vans, you know, they showed up that thing. It's bad. You wanted them carried around back, but it weren't weighing, did you? She's like, y'all take it around the house? Those are old people. You'll kill them. I'm like, no, tell them just sit outside the van. I'll be home later.
They struggle to get that out of the vehicle.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I do. So there's a reason why. Now I like to go in and buy my stuff. We should go wash your truck. No?
We don't even know what we're getting into.
We don't even know what we're getting into. That's right.
Might as well just sit on the way back.
I wouldn't mind to get one of those dump trailers. They're kind of pricey, but they pay themselves off in the long run.
That guy's got something stuck on the back of his truck.
Looks like a garbage bag or something. Well, we'll get back with y'all later. Tell them bye, honey. See ya. Little windy this morning, ain't it? Just a little live footage of Arizona. Arizona's definitely a pretty state, I'll give them that. What's up, guys? I'm Adam. This is Amanda. You're with Just Living with Adam and Amanda.